Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Tkinter Projects. So in this video I will show you the Twitter sentiment analysis using Python. So let's open the terminal and run python space main.py. So it will open the home page. Now let's go to code and search for search word like Russian war. Click on the live tweet analysis. So it will analyze this and show the 2 are negative and 0 are positive. And it will give the graphical view. Let's click on exit button. Now change the search words artificial intelligence. Save this Python code and again run the main file. Now click on the live tweet analysis. Okay, model will load and it will analyze the positive and negative tweets. Now 82 are negative and 176 are positive tweets. It will give the graphical view. The positive is more and negative is less. Let's give the user input analysis. Let's write any word or it analyzes the particular word like it is positive or negative, sad, and it is analyzes the negative. Okay, bulk tweet analysis. Let's upload this file and it will give the positive and negative graphical view of sentiment analysis. This is the complete project. If you have doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.